Chest Powell!
What a great sword.
Longer, more stylish, for the modern sword robot.
Let's watch them fight.
This is bronze.
The easiest difficulty level.
Yes.
Victory!
The human didn't die.
Well, we're only in the bronze tier.
Archers and swords. It never grows old.
Much like a robot body.
Victory!
Boom.
Promising.
Behold the glory of the Mark II robots.
In bronze.
Glorious.
Victory!
Nice.
It was okay.
What is next?
Swords clash on a narrow bridge.
Excellent.
Silver tier.
Time for the human to die.
Victory!
Good. I hope this human gets to the diamond tier.
You just want to see Spider-Tron 6000.
Yes.
The Hammer bots are back.
And archer robots.
It will be fun to see the human die.
Victory!
Excellent. The human is getting there.
Pretty good.
Let's hope these robots avoid the saw blades.
It is okay. Commentatron. They are armored.
Excellent.
Clone created.
Analysis bot. How long does it take to create a human?
About 9 months to create the first version, then several years to teach it how to do things.
So long.
Victory.
I want to see Jetpack Boss.
Maybe if the human gets to the gold tier. Mark 3 archers wander among the pillars.
I love watching this level.
Gold difficulty. Time for the human to explode.
Clone activated. Victory.
Wow, this human is good.
Perhaps we will see. Titanium.
That would be amazing. Time to get hammered.
Or possibly stabbed.
The possibilities are endless.
Clone created.
Now the human has a friend.
It is only friends with copies of itself.
It is the human way.
Clone activated. Defeat.
Death.
Destruction.